Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Chapter 2 for Tori for Insight number 4 day for the week. Big sense story for this afternoon. It talks a waiting. No matter how we picking it all, e no fit ever get age pass a papa. No matter how tall picking it dey, e no fit ever get age pass a papa. And big part talk, e come on for that side so for Bafusam. Dr. Kale. As we take up one for strong number then for this afternoon, we go talk palaver for meeting where they for talk say waiting, no for violence. This meeting it take pass now for that side for Boyam. We go also go back for Pumba for talk this palaver lawyer where it is so confusion. It is some lawyer they deny say may work no start. Other them they don't hold meeting say work again for start. We go talk that palaver plus big day for I now today. How the day it big glad we go turn for inside hospital there for see how we big day for I it dey happen. All the one them so we go talk on this afternoon. Make una no shake and they come back some more time. Very big good afternoon. We glad plenty say we don't jam again for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Tori for this afternoon. We go begin now with the Tori for Boya side day. Make we go for Boyam. We talk palaver big day for meeting. This meeting now for big day for non-violence. Meeting it take happen so for that side for Boya country people them, and it be passed now for that side for university for Boya compound. It be then an opportunity for all people them for talk say no for violence. This one it come now after with this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. Is also there for news and Sabi say for inside the meeting when the people them where they day against violence they be happen the meeting for that side for Boyam. They try for talk say all the way don't the pass for inside Northwest. All the way the pass for that side for Southwest make it end, and it be then a big day too for remind people then say if some problem they no be na true force they fuse and solve problem now only for people them for shidon for one place for talk this palaver. So the meeting it be then for talk say make people them they no use force for doing them even as we come and people then say they all conam now for talk say no for force and make they use sense for solve any palaver way it happen. So the meeting it be then a big day from Gando for that side so for Boyam. It be then a time for talk for population say they so palaver way it happen no na palaver they get for use na fight. Member mami says Sarah Alpha way they be toshi. All that one then so now way they be try for talk for population for us I say this kind of thing no be na one for use a big fight for take fight for day. After that meeting, it take finish, country people them, Jato Derek, he be talk with one person for that side, for palaver, no for violence, make we take here to the person talk.
By Mr. Luz, alias Uncle Lee. I want to talk to you, the non-violence as English coaches. It is talk now how when you get trouble, when you get problem, you don't get to use hand. You know, if you use a crude way for solve the problem, or make the problem be solved. And that's why they talk for English, saying the pen is mightier than the sword. It means the pen, it is sword. Dialogue, when they talk dialogue, it means they make man in a friend, in a brother, in a papa, but they talk. People must always, they will always get problems, they will disagree, but they will always come to agree. This agreement when we talk now saying if people they solve problem when they not get any nobody no be wounded. Nobody they don't harm you. But maybe she don't table they talk and any man understand it. So stay up to date the help because it pass the message across, especially as the problem will they inside now the social political problem they will get at the southwest and north what we call anglophone problem. We were brothers and sisters. They will say they be hot. But when they hurt you, the way they solve the problem, I believe say no more. So we get to solve this problem. So today we will send this message across. Make Papa, Mommy, and Pikin them. Make all man make a new say this day it be for enlighten, it be for make and for create awareness. Make all man know say this book or for solve problem.
Yes, now person that way talk for inside palaver for say make they no use force. Now we big Queen Elisa they go talk say palava no violence, but na for talk say make you no use force, forget the way you want them. So we left that story for one side, we go for that side now for Kumba. Kumba side there will be take talk for now, big meeting, it be take pass for that side, so for Kumba High Court. This meeting, it be there now for how for see how we lawyer people them way they don't be for inside their house since now, so for more than 1 year, say may they turn back for court. Sabi say this meeting will take pass, it be happen now under vice president for people them Kumba Lawyers Association where they call it say a lawyer Mpako. Now it's except it gather people them, they be she done for high court before the big people them for court for that side for see whether for true they fit turn back for work. But Sabi say for inside this arrangement for that side, so for Kumba, even as we vice president Mpako and lawyer Mpako he take talk, no be na all lawyer them for that side for Kumba, they be glad for the decision they don't take them. And lawyer people them they try for talk say time where the decision it be come out, say waiting, make them no go back for work. No be na one person, no be na one association, it be she done for take the law. Now say make all people them, all lawyer people them, common law lawyer them to for talk so say make all them they she done for big general meeting for talk say waiting, make they turn back for work. Sabi say lawyer people them yesterday it make 1 year where they never go for court for sick problem where they be don't give them from governor, say make governor take look at and be inside all the one them they never see no nothing. Now why they no be go for work. So Sabi say inside the arrangement, Kumba lawyer them way say they will start work. They talk say they give governor 6 months. They go she done for workplace for 6 months. After 6 months, if no nothing no change, they go them back again for their house. So just now, total confusion the day as well lawyer people them for Kumba. Someone the day where they say they don't want to go them back for work until general meeting it happen. Other one the day where they say they don't hear, they say all two don't happen. People there they don't the cash and some kind of way. Now for them for go defend that people them so that they feel come out from gata. So just now confusion it day for lawyer people them. Boya side to lawyer people they be get their own meeting. Now so for talk palava for say make the turn back for workplace. As I don't talk, it don't make 1 year where the work people them they not only for inside their housing. We come for inside Douala here country people them. We talk this palava walk away French ambassador. It become for inside we own Tory house. Nothing way they ever happen country people them. French ambassador where they call it say Gilles Thibault. It become for inside Equinox Tory house. It be then a big waka and all work people them they be take talk for you say come good. Eric Kwamo na be start but Sabi say before he be one even climb for side they knock Tory for this side. He be fair talk with Oga Kpata for Equinox as Severin Chinke one at the CISO French ambassador. He tell he say he like the work where Equinox do and he talk say for inside this palava so he like and say make Equinox continue for show the correct Tory where people they want here. After that one Samuel Chufak when one of the oldest man for Esa house too he follow French ambassador with other Tory people them enter for place where he did so Tory they ever happen for 8 o'clock. Cedric Nufele now he talk for Oga French ambassador say na so we do. Na so they do for him. French ambassador Joseph he talk for Palava Northwest and Southwest. He talk say he say no for people there they use force where they call and say violence. He say that kind one he no fine. Them say they want and say make peace. He come back for country and for peace for turn back for country. Now for say make all people they sit down for one table for talk this palava. So after French ambassador don't turn for inside Equinox Story house. He glad plenty for see the kind young boy them, young girl them, gondere the way they work for inside. He say na all that one then so he make thing the work fine. So after he be so go see big man for talk say big man. Now time this for go and the big people then too they go levy right for our side for talk say bye bye. On a sabi say French ambassador Gilles Thibault in our houses he ever come all time. So he been a Makombi where he come for Kansia we country he the worker for this side for Equinox at Tory house. After that one, we go now for Yawinde country people them. Confusion for that side so for Sa. Sacred Heart a church where it is so country bomb. A hala for inside Fadai room. Now Fadai room that. Fadai name na waiting. Reverend Father Jean-Louis Melanie. Yes. Now inside the Papai house country people them. Where it is so this palava it be take pass for that side so country people them. Just for Sabi say for inside this palava bomb. Where it take pass for that side so for Sa country people. Now for talk say waiting. Say for that side it be then a country bomb and so now confusion ide Who keep the bomb? He who no be keep the bomb. Now the big question that way people that they ask him. But Sabi say since so this father he chop chair for that side, so for Sam things they never change. They say he don't. Now the second time where he get the kind of attack. The first attack where he get him. Now for people then where he no sabi them where he take so he take get that attack will be sorry for team where they take pass for that side, so on the people them. Sabi say we make machine, but machine one time it use for Chris. Machine they use for Chris one time. So we be sorry for that image them. We tight for that side. We be very sorry. We go surely come back for this small time. If everything being equal, we go turn back for them. Just for Sabi say today for that side, so for Boyam, Minister for Defense, where they call it say Betty Joseph Asomo, he did for Boya side them. Na Palava security meeting where they happen for day. Nadine, all thing they fine, we'll turn back for them. If we continue for that side, well, we go continue for wait as when machine it is still for make a sense come good. You sabi say machine set head they plenty thing there for inside machine. We'll be sorry for this one. Now just for talk say Minister for Defense, it dey for that side for Boyam, and for Boya side dey Oga Joseph Betty Asomo. He go get time for talk this palava wey dey happen for Northwest and Southwest. Na palava for reinforce security and for give last minute instruction for how we security people them, police, gendarme, they get for lookout people them where they send them for go lookout. And so Joseph Betty Asomo a day for that side, so for Boya just now. I saw the talk now for talk palava security meeting. I know sabi whether machine it don't stand up straight. So we go continue for Tori for this side, so for Equinox Tori house. So be sorry, say machine increase more, but machine head on the turn back to normal. Sabi say man they make machine by one time, machine to get for full man. For talk say he stand up fine, but he no stand up fine. As well the take talk, Tori never finish for this side. We get small problem. After that problem happen fine, we go try for come back for images them for this afternoon. So country people them make no man no shake. As well this also talk for Tori for this afternoon. Today na big day for I, and una sabi say we I nothing we will no fit joke with them. And for Sika that palava, the free consult enjoy one. It happen for eye clinic for inside Walaya for Bipanda for Archer side. As we take happen, big day for eye, na big day we all man, he must to look at the eye. Na big day we all man, he must sabi say eye na place where he no get for joke with them. So we no sabi if machine they find we fit turn back for Yawin the side for talk this palava for Bishop or Father house. We bomb he enter for day. If machine they find, if all thing they find, the office start back. We'll go back for that side for for talk this palava where it dey so it take pass for Yawinde. So now they never sabi people the way they throw it, that country bomb for inside room for Fadam. Now for that side, so for Sacred Heart Parish, yes, and country people than that. Now for that side, bomb a chakara for inside Fadai room for Sacred Heart Parish for Sam. As well take talk, even as well they try for fix Fadai room back. This Father way they call it say Reverend Jean-Louis Melanie. Now that they say now the second time where this kind of thing it take happen for ye for that side. So for since we it take over chair like Father for that side. So they no sabi whether na say law way it take him, he no find on how. The other time, according to Tori we enter we hear, they talk say na stone they take throw him through Father a window. No man he never sabi to take pass, but as we take happen, Father time we bomb a chakara so for that side. Father no be there for inside the room. Now he mean say he be there like say Papa God, he be don't already show you vision. Say he dey so some bad belle people they want to do you some bad thing for inside your house, so make it take come out. So Father, where they call it say Jean-Louis Melanie, he no be there inside room. Time with that bomb he take chakara. Sabi say now one of the and maybe the second bomb this way here for inside side for Yawinde or for that side for Sika this palava Northwest and Southwest. So as well the take talk, Father he dey fine, no nothing, he no take happen for him. Now so make we talk palava for big day for I, country people them today. Na big day for I. Sabi say World Health Organization self talk say every second Thursday inside October moon na big day for I. And for Sika that one, I people them they do their work for clinic, country people them. We no sabi whether that image too, it don't be set. If we enter for that site, for talk this palaver for consult for I, where it take pass. This one na palaver for big day for I. Today na big day for I. So you say we no sabi, na just for tell you say your I, it dey very very important. And if I dey important, na for you for go see how if you look at your eye, yes. And country people that don't come up plenty, go for that side. So for eye at hospital, now for Archer side where it dey, so then say that they glad the big day for eye, and it be then a day where people they get for can't see whether for true their eye is the worker fine or their eye you know the worker fine. As well talk big day for eye now for people that will check, and we sabi say plenty sick for eye a day, glaucoma a day, cataract a day. You get one the way when they enter you. They no go fit for help you. It make your eye dark. So now for sick that one way Archer people then says today. So they say no big day for eye. Now for them too for give people them jaw outing. People the way their eye gets on small play. Then too they try for see how they feel look at their eye them for wall. So all the one they so now for say make big day for eye. It work a fine. And people the way they no sabi whether they get fine eye or they no get fine eye. Now for them too for sabi say big day then so now they the way they get for use opportunity for do waiting for see how way they feel look at their eye. So big day for eye now today, and you see get the opportunity for go check your eye if your eye in the worker fine. Make we hear now one of the specialists for palava eye. It tell we how way this palava it pass.
Years and for your front, years and we want for open people there, open make eye there. We know the hot. So plenty people know the come check their eye for hospital. Check their eye. It is dark forever. We no go fit do anything. Some other sick day when I be the commonest sick way people know. Where they call them say star. Englishman call them say cataract. Fit make operation, person see again. That one is better. But some this one where they talk they call them say glaucoma. The eye dark, will not fit do anything. But medicine day way if we see them, like today where they do consultation free, we cash plenty for them. Medicine go make a signal continue. The medicine no go cure them. The medicine no go change the damage where it don't already happen. They get headache for school. They talk mommy and papa them. They talk say picking they pretend no one go for school. Then they so problem fit be for eye. Some time go reach where eye go become lazy. Even when they give eyeglass, you no go see again.
We take una now so go for outside country people them. We take una go for that side for Kenya side them. Raila Odinga where he then opposition president for that. We take una now so talk this palaver announce picking the way don't lose. Make we try forgive now people them where they feel don't see the picking. They feel help the people them for find the picking. Now the picking in name and now the picking that or adult if you want put on so. In name na Mieji Lucien, yes, Mieji Lucien. He get 49 years and they say this woman he get sick for depression. And they say he dey talk French fine, he dey talk English fine, and time wey be comot for house, he be wear some skirts wey get flower for them with some white t-shirts and some small red thing the way they dey on top with a 2 rope sail pass wey be take wear am. He be the stay na for quarter for Ndogbong here for inside Douala. So as of the top, Madam Kamga Caroline, he dey beg any person wey don't see this a sister or a big sister, Mieji Lucien, say he beg make he try call this thing number them 697-597-547 675-246-811 679-895-411 or he bring it for Equinox Tory House. Make we take the announce as we come to for French. Madame Kamga Caroline annonce la disparition de sa grande sœur, la nommée Mieji Lucien, âgée de 49 ans, et souffre d'une dépression. Elle s'exprime en français et en anglais. Elle est vêtue d'une jupe fleurie et d'un tricot blanc à motif rouge avec une paire de babouches. Elle habite le quartier Ndogbong. Madame Kamga Caroline prie toute personne qui aurait vu ou hébergerait sa grande sœur de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro suivant 697 597 547 ou 675 246 811 694 895 4 11 ou la conduit à la radio Equinox. Now the small story then that will they get and for this afternoon. We'll be very sorry for the small technical break we'll be getting. We'll be sure say tomorrow we will get better story. We go take una go from Babanda side, Palava Road and Palava Highway, English and Frenchman they stay as well this Palava a bit wrong. Plus other story they will not bring them for now. We go come with them for some time. If you there for table, bon appetit. Make una all am tight.